What's going on, guys? This is Anders Larsson, and today we are going to learn about SEO, which is search engine optimization, and the different types of SEO that you can use. But we're also going to learn how to make money with SEO. If you are interested in starting an online business and earning passive income, then you are in the right place. At the end of the video, I will share where you can get access to really awesome video training if you want to learn SEO, but also if you want to learn affiliate marketing. I will also share a free video training with you if you stick to the end. So anyway, I'm going to talk about one of the most important aspects of online marketing, and that is SEO. Search engine optimization. Most people probably think about Google, but there are also YouTube. YouTube is also a search engine, and I think a lot of people forget that. So SEO is the process of optimizing a website or web page to increase its visibility and ranking on search engines like Google. This means that you can improve your website's rank and visibility on search engine results pages by doing things like keyword research, content optimization, backlinking, and technical optimization. Now, there are different types of SEO that you can focus on depending on your interests and goals. You can specialize in on-page SEO, off-page SEO, technical SEO, local SEO, e-commerce SEO, video SEO, and voice search SEO. Each type has its own unique techniques and strategies that you can master. If you are interested in earning money from SEO, there are a few tips I'd like to share with you. First, develop your skills by learning about SEO and the latest best practices. Stay up to date with the latest trends and updates. Second, build a portfolio by creating a website or blog and optimizing it for search engines. This will give you a platform to showcase your skills and help you demonstrate your knowledge and expertise. Third, you can start a freelancing business by offering your services to businesses that need help with their SEO efforts. You can begin by offering your services on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, etc. Fourth, you can offer SEO consulting services to businesses, helping them to improve their website's ranking and visibility. Finally, once you have developed your skills and built a reputation for yourself, you can start your own SEO agency, offering your services to a wider range of clients. As you can see, there are many ways to earn from SEO, and it offers a great opportunity for individuals and businesses to increase their online visibility and drive more traffic to their website. However, it's important to note that SEO can be complex and it requires proper education and training. That is why I want to introduce you to a solution that I use to earn passive income. I have been using it since 2019 and never switched to another system because I know this system really works and it has helped a lot of people. The link in the description below will take you to my landing page. There is a red button on that page that, if you click it, will give you access to the best online education platform you can find online. It has the training you need if you want to learn about SEO and other important aspects of online marketing. This education will give you the foundation you need to succeed in this field. So this is what I want to share with you guys. Please click like button and subscribe if you found this video motivational in order to receive updates when new episodes are available. And if you are ready to take action and start working towards your goals, never forget that the moment to begin is right now. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.